Second shot. Second shot.
Yes, sir, buddy.
I knew that first shot was bad.
Man, we had a heck of a bad setup there. I was laying flat on the ground. I was laying on a rock. It was.
I can't hardly hear that gun just out deafening.
Tell me about it, buddy. I can feel your heart beating on my shoulder when we was
I
leaning
really
up against
can't hear out of my left ear, dude.
the bust your eardrum.
Right I think so.
Huh?
I think I might have, yeah. Nah, I mean, it was a pretty hunt. I mean, down there at the road, we just called up here, heard a big one, you know, answer us right up in here, and we got set up on it about 50 yards that way, you know, kind of up the mountain a little bit, and he had some hens with him. He kind of walked off this way a little bit, and we didn't know there were two of them until we kind of walked up here. We were just going to come close the distance on him a little bit, and he called a little bit. Jason called, and two of them hammered right there. We just had to drop down on the ground and get set up behind some. That was about the worst setup you could ask for. I mean, I couldn't shoot at all. I was like leaning over here to my left, but we saw his fan come up, and I think the first shot I was worried about that limb in my way, and I just shot a little bit high, but
you got enough pellets in him that slowed him down.
Yeah, exactly.
First shot,
so thankfully he was able to stop right here, and I got a good beat on him and put him down. It looked like a pretty good bird, man.
That's a real good turkey. Yeah, when he come up there, it's a real nice turkey.
I'm lean this tree right there. We're using the MFK spur slayer this morning, and I tell you what, this call really did work this morning, because these two toms had a bunch of hens with them. We saw them on the roost, and I honestly don't think without somewhat of, you know, a good call, we could have called them in. I think we sounded better than their old dried up hens. So, you know, hopefully we'll take these and go get you a bird.
That's right.
Here in about 30 minutes or an hour. So it's a pretty morning. The wind kind of calmed down.
It's not even 7 o'clock yet.
I know, not even 7.
Maybe 7:10, if that. So.
Whew, I'm excited. Let's go get us on another one.
Let's do it, buddy. Well, it's spring season 2014, and we started off right. Season's been in probably less than 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and Evan's already started off, man. I'm telling you. We've had some good luck the last few years, buddy. Man. That's the way to start off. Using the MFK spur slayer. Heard him up here roosted. I thought it was just a single gobbler, and we were walking in on him and came up under him, and we actually got up real tight under the hens, and they all flew off, and they were down here strutting, and we closed the distance, had to do a little belly crawling for about 20-30 yards, and got up next to a log, and got right in on top of him. But it was good times. I mean, Evan put the smack down on him, took 2 shots, but the way he was setting, I mean, that was a tough shot for anybody, because he was to his side, and plus you got a 3-inch 12 gauge shell, knowing you're gonna pop you in the mouth. I mean, that makes you think a time or two. But it was a great hunt. We're going to go after him. Like I said, it's still early. Hope to repeat last year. You got yours right off the roost last year. We went and got mine, and hopefully we can go get another one and be home early for breakfast.
Oh yeah.
All right, buddy. Congrats, man.
Thank you.
Sounds good.